Insurance here tonight, and Florida leaders slapping more than $2 million worth of fines against 8 different property insurance companies. And the state's newest chief financial officer tells us this is just the tip of the iceberg. Tampa Bay 28 news anchor Nadine Yanez is committed to covering insurance and holding the leaders accountable on behalf of Florida homeowners. Nadine joining us right now, breaking down which companies were fined today and why, Nadine.
Yeah, Paul, so this goes back to Hurricanes Idalia and Hurricanes Ian and how these 8 insurance companies did not come through for policyholders as required by Florida law. Well, now as the market is stabilizing and companies are now making millions in profit, Florida's insurance commissioner says this is time to hold insurance companies accountable and making sure that they are paying out claims as they should. The Florida insurance commissioner looking at how these 8 companies responded again to Ian and Idalia through what's called a market conduct evaluation and found, quote, several misconducts, including the companies using unauthorized adjusters, leaving out disclosures when giving damage repair estimates, and failing to provide homeowners with a copy of the homeowner's claims bill of rights. And in one case, the state found error rates on over 60% of the claims after Hurricane Ian and over 80% of the claims after Hurricane Idalia, and found many of these companies did not meet that 90-day deadline to either pay or deny claims. The state's new CFO in charge of the Office of Insurance Regulation says this is just the tip of the iceberg. We also got reaction from insurance advocates at the American Policyholders Association.
We now have a much more vibrant insurance economy, but it doesn't mean that they get away with doing shady stuff.
These fines are a slap on the wrist. These companies have been caught squirreling away billions of dollars sent through their affiliates. The abuses in terms of cheating people on claims, the abuses listed in these consent orders is absolutely horrible.
Now, the insurance commissioner says they're investigating 2 more companies, so we should be getting an update there. I also emailed all 8 of the companies fined today. 2 replied back. Centauri Insurance, which is now LilyPad Insurance, says that they weren't running the company at the time. And Monarch Insurance blamed one of their underwriters that is now bankrupt. So if you want to read their full responses and to see how much each company was fined, you can look for this story at tampabay28.com/insurance. Wendy?
Nadine, thank you. And